This drink is high in energy due to the natural sugar content in the apple and the honey. The Greek yogurt provides protein, while the almond milk adds healthy fats and additional protein. The lemon juice and cinnamon also provide an extra boost of energy and flavor. Enjoy! This smoothie is a great choice for a quick and easy breakfast or snack that will give you sustained energy throughout the day. It's also packed with vitamins and nutrients that are important for overall health, including vitamin C from the lemon and apple, and calcium and probiotics from the Greek yogurt. Here is a recipe for an apple and lemon smoothie that can provide high energy. Ingredients: 1 medium apple, 1/2 lemon, juiced, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup ice. Instructions: 1. Core and slice the apple into small pieces. 2. Juice the lemon and set the juice aside. 3. Add the sliced apple, lemon juice, Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and ice to a blender. 4. Blend all the ingredients together until the smoothie is smooth and creamy. 5. Pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. If you want to make this smoothie even more nutritious, you can add in some additional ingredients. For example, you could add a handful of spinach or kale for extra vitamins and fiber, or some chia seeds or flax seeds for added omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. You can also customize this recipe to suit your taste preferences. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, you can add more honey or a ripe banana. If you prefer a tangier smoothie, you can add more lemon juice. Overall, this apple and lemon smoothie is a delicious and nutritious way to boost your energy levels and start your day off right. Enjoy! Another way to boost the energy levels of this smoothie is to add some protein powder to it. You can use whey protein powder or plant-based protein powder such as pea, soy, or hemp protein powder. Adding protein powder will not only increase the protein content of the smoothie but also help to keep you feeling fuller for longer. If you're looking for a smoothie that's lower in calories, you can omit the honey and use a low-fat Greek yogurt instead. You can also use unsweetened almond milk instead of regular almond milk to reduce the calorie content. Lastly, this smoothie can be a great way to use up any extra apples you have lying around. Apples are a great source of fiber and antioxidants, and they're also low in calories. By combining them with lemon juice and other nutritious ingredients, you can create a delicious and energizing smoothie that's perfect for any time of day. In conclusion, this apple and lemon smoothie is a delicious and nutritious recipe that's perfect for anyone looking for a high-energy drink. With a few simple tweaks, you can customize this recipe to suit your taste and nutritional needs, making it a great addition to any healthy diet. One more thing to keep in mind is that this smoothie can also be a great post-workout drink. The carbohydrates from the apple and honey, combined with the protein from the Greek yogurt and protein powder, can help to refuel your muscles and aid in muscle recovery. You can also experiment with different variations of this recipe by adding other fruits such as bananas or berries, or using different types of milk such as coconut milk or cow's milk. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to get creative and find the combination that works best for you. Overall, this apple and lemon smoothie is a delicious and healthy way to boost your energy levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack, this smoothie is a great choice that's sure to please your taste buds and your body.